Let's make some delicious Japanese-style spare ribs with just one frying pan. With the simple addition of ketchup to miso and soy sauce, you will get a rich and savory flavor that is almost like a demi-glace sauce. Easy to make and absolutely delicious, and it's the perfect dish for Thanksgiving and holiday season. Let's get started. Smash the garlic with a knife to remove the skin and release its flavor. Pat dry the pork spare ribs with a paper towel to remove any moisture. Heat the frying pan over medium-high heat and sear the ribs until they are beautifully browned on all sides. Add garlic halfway through to infuse the aroma into the meat. Once the ribs are browned, pour in the sake and scrape off any brown bits from the pan for extra delicious flavor. Add the remaining seasonings, miso, soy sauce, ketchup, and sugar, and enough water to cover the ribs, about 1.5 cups. You don't need to add extra broth here when cooking meat with bones, and the bones naturally release their own rich umami flavor. Bring it to a boil and stir to distribute the flavors evenly. Position the ribs bone side up in the pan to cook faster and keep the texture during the cooking. Place a parchment paper lid directly on top of the ribs to help the broth circulate without flipping them. Cover the pan with a regular lid and simmer over medium heat for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check the broth. It should be reduced to about 1/3 and flip the ribs and simmer for another 10 minutes. Now let's take a look. The ribs should have delicious, glossy finish. To check the tenderness, pierce the meat with chopsticks. It should have a nice bite but come off from the bone easily. If you prefer fall off the bone tenderness, add a bit more water and simmer for an additional 30 minutes. Arrange the ribs on the plate and garnish with boiled potatoes, broccoli, and carrot cooked with a touch of sugar and salt. Sprinkle some black pepper to give it a nice kick. Serve immediately when it's hot. The fat will solidify as it cools, so enjoy it fresh from the pan. By adding a ketchup, a secret ingredient packed with spices, to traditional Japanese seasonings, miso and soy sauce, you will get a rich, flavorful sauce that tastes like it takes hours to make. The best part is this dish can be ready in under an hour, making it perfect for busy Thanksgiving and holiday schedules. If you are looking for more homemade holiday recipes that are quick, easy, and delicious, don't forget to check out my holiday menu playlist. Happy cooking and happy holidays! Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!